All right, folks. Now, winning with affiliate marketing is 80% mindset and 20% strategy. And when we talk about mindset, we're talking about a set of beliefs that shape the way you relate to your world, the way you relate to your business, the way you see things, the way you see your business. So, if the kind of belief that you have is the kind of belief that spark off inner negative conversations like I don't have all the information that I need here to succeed with affiliate marketing. I'm not enough. I'm not smart. This thing is saturated. A lot of people are into it. Those kind of inner lies. If you still have them while you're into affiliate marketing, then it's going to be a long while before you make your first dollar on the internet, right? That is critical. And then strategy has to do with the methods, the plans, the what you bring on the table, principles to promote your affiliate offer. Do you have the best strategy? Are you exposed to the best strategy? This is where you begin to win from. All right, so in today's video we're going to be looking at a new strategy, another new strategy that you're going to have to employ to show up before your audience and have yourself make conversions, make sales, and make money. All right, now if you're coming across my video for the very first time, please do me a favor by subscribing, and don't forget to hit the notification button so that you get notified every time I upload videos like this. All right, and then if you're thinking about how to make not less than $2,000 every month from the comfort of your home, working with your internet, working with your laptop, right from the comfort of your home. Now I'm going to leave a link below this video. It's the link to my free crash course, and what this crash course is going to do for you is hold you by the hand and show you how to win with affiliate marketing online business. So at the end of this video, go and check out this crash course. All right, check out this crash course, and then I want you to if you haven't made your first dollar online, or it's been slow with you, I want you to leave a comment in the comment box. Tell me what you think has been holding you back from making your first dollar online. Is it a mindset, or is it strategy? Maybe your strategy haven't been working for you. All right, I want you to message me, use the comment box, message me, and I'm going to get back to you privately, and then we're going to look at the whole thing. We're going to look at the whole thing, because the essence of what we are doing is to have you win. All right, so having said that, let's jump straight to the video of the day and look at this strategy to promote offers from Clickbank, JVZoo, or whatever affiliate network that you're partnering with. All right, so let's go look at today's strategy, and I tell you, it's gonna add to what you're doing. The first thing to do to create real business online using affiliate marketing is to create your account on different affiliate networks, affiliate marketing networks. Okay, and what you're going to be doing is promoting other people's products, other people's services, and get paid each time you make affiliate commission. All right, so there are several platforms out there that you can actually leverage to create real business for yourself on the internet. All right, there are platforms like JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Partner Stack. You have Impact, and a whole lot of others like Digi24 and Clickbank. All right, but in this case, we're going to be using Clickbank. Okay, because I use Clickbank and I make money from Clickbank also, and a lot of affiliates who are making 6 figures, making 7 figures today on the internet, most of them started with Clickbank. All right, and Clickbank is a popular one, and so you can go and create accounts on Clickbank if you are in countries that Clickbank actually accept. All right, now my name is Maz White, and what I do here, this is my channel. what I do here is upload videos that help you to create real business online using affiliate marketing as a business model. All right, so in today's strategy, I'm going to be showing you, it's very simple. I'm going to teach you how to go pick a product. Affiliate marketing is about you picking a product that you didn't create, that you didn't invest in, and promoting them and getting paid affiliate commissions. All right, so this is my channel, and please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to leave a like, don't forget to leave a comment, and then if you have questions why you've not been able to make your first commission online, please leave a message for me on the comment box and let's talk about it. Okay, so for this strategy, like I said earlier, the first thing is to create your account on any of the platforms, especially Clickbank. All right, now when you get to Clickbank, you have the marketplace, which is where varieties of products on different niches are on display. Okay, you have betting system, business investment, computer, internet, cooking, food and drinks, e-business and e-marketing, education, employment. Whatever niche you are into, you can actually find a product to promote here. All right, for example, self-help, you have software and services, you have spirituality and new age and alternative. These are all niches, these are categories, these are markets that you can actually choose to show up in and watch yourself build real business for yourself on the internet. And so each time you get to any affiliate network, please, the first thing you got to look at is, if you're promoting any product, okay, what is the affiliate commission like? All right, what is the affiliate commission like? It's so vital that you promote offers that has huge affiliate commission. All right, because the same effort you're going to put into promoting offers that has low commission is the same effort that you're going to put into promoting high ticket offers that pays you in a grand way. All right, so for example, when you get to Clickbank, okay, you have several products. First of all, you have to define your niche. What market do you want to show up in? What audience do you want to get yourself involved with? All right, so there are steps involved in affiliate marketing. One is defining your niche, then secondly is picking products within your niche and promoting them. All right, so if you're into weight loss, if you're into relationship, you can actually come here or go to other affiliate network and find products that sell within your niche and begin to promote. So the first thing when you get to Clickbank is to look at affiliate commissions. For example, if I'm going to be promoting this Dentitox, okay, each time I make a sale with Dentitox, okay, you're going to be getting about $105 for promoting this affiliate offer. This is what you get for promoting it. And then the second thing you do, I always tell my students, I say, look at the affiliate resources. What are affiliate resources? These are resources that the vendor made available for you to use in promoting these affiliate offers. All right, this affiliate offer. And of course, you must try to see, you must make sure that the affiliate resources are quite attractive and would convert. All right, for example, if you look at this right now, you're going to say this is the affiliate resources. Okay, I think how to apply and all that, get started terms. Okay, okay, this one doesn't really have much. Let me go back again. Let me go back. Let me look at this Java Bond. Let me look at the affiliate page. Now, the affiliate page is actually, like I said earlier, the affiliate page is the banners, newsletters, the emails, and all the resources, video sales that the owner of this product has made available for affiliate to pick and go promote. Okay, so you have to make sure that the owner of this product made affiliate resources available for you. Okay, and then let's look at this Java bond and see the affiliate resources that are available. Let me see. Okay, this is for affiliates. Okay, landing pages. Okay, landing page, it has landing pages, and then okay, newsletters. There should be newsletters, of course. Well, that is not the main purpose for this video. So the main purpose is to show you a particular strategy that you can actually use to go and make affiliate commission. So for example, if I'm going to be promoting okay, offers with recurring bill. For example, if I'm promoting this offer, this is John Cristani's offer called Super Affiliate System. All right, so to employ this system, the strategy that I'm about to show you right now, the first thing you do now, each time you promote John Cristani's offer, you're making about $831 as a commission. All right, and then John Cristani also has good affiliate resources for you to promote this particular offer. And then when you look at the gravity, I think the gravity is okay, about 14.40 something. All right, I think it's a growing product, but of course you're free to go try out some other product depending on the niche that you are into. All right, you're free to go try out other affiliate product using this strategy that I'm about to teach you. All right, so if I'm going to be promoting this super affiliate system, the first thing I do is to click on promote, okay, and copy my affiliate link. All right, oftentimes I use this John Cristani super affiliate because I've made quite a huge sum of money promoting this particular offer. I've made money promoting this particular offer. So the first thing I do is to enter my I enter my name, my user and my name. All right, and then I can enter a tracking ID. I can use super affiliate system, and then I generate my hop link. Generate your hop link. You copy your hop link. All right, copy your hop link. This is your hop link. Copy your hop link and go paste your hop link somewhere. Okay, copy your hop link. And then I always recommend that you go to somewhere like Bitly. Okay, go to Bitly and shorten your affiliate link so that it doesn't look spammy, it looks neat. All right, this is Bitly, and you can come here, paste your affiliate link, shorten your affiliate link, all right, and make it look neat. Shorten your affiliate. This is your affiliate link. You can copy your affiliate link and go paste it somewhere in one of your notes. Okay, paste it here. Now please stay with me till the end of this video. Don't just click off. All right, don't click off. Now the website I'm about to show you is a huge one with massive traffic. All right, massive traffic, and you're not going to be paying for traffic on this website. All right, you can actually have people have eyeballs on your products without paying a dime. All right, so the platform is this particular one called Free Ad Forum. All right, now on Free Ad Forum, now if you look at here, you're going to see it says post your affiliate offers, business opportunities. Look at it: Clickbank, promotion services, real estate, vehicle, classes, all for free. All right, so this particular website allows you to post your businesses. All right, post your offers practically for free. If you look down here, you're gonna see these are offers that people are promoting here, and they are doing it for free. Now let me be quick to mention that the colorful ads here are paid for, but they are not really expensive. It's like $5, but these ones are not paid for. All right, so I'm going to show you how to create ad on this particular website. I'm going to show you how to create ad on this particular website. Now if you look at here, this is my ad. Okay, this is my ad, and I got a lot of ad on this platform, and I've been getting result doing ad on this platform. All right, and you can start for free. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is to create your account on the Free Ad Forum. Go ahead and create your account, and then you're free to begin to publish your ads for free. So what you do is that you click on publish ad for free. All right, click on publish ad for free. Remember, we're promoting super affiliate system, and it says category The super affiliate system is in the business category. All right, so we say business opportunities, and title we say super affiliate system. All right, and you can go here and write descriptions of what you're promoting. Okay, like I did a little description here. I want to copy it and paste. All right, go ahead and make a little description, copy, paste your description here. Okay, then go down. How much is it going? You type in the price of the offer. I think $997. This is the offer, and then the next thing you do is listing location, which is United States. Region, you can actually choose a region, make your research and know the region that you want to post your offer to. We can say Arkansas. Okay, and city, again we go ahead and say somewhere like Alpena. All right, then you fill up here. Then here what you do here is that you leave your affiliate link here. Okay, you leave your affiliate link here. Let me copy our affiliate link. Now this was the affiliate link to the offer that we are promoting. Copy this affiliate link, place it here. All right, place your affiliate link here. I'm showing you how to actually post your offer on this particular website for free. All right, also here you paste your affiliate link. Okay, and then you are good to go. Now you're given option if you want to upgrade your offer. If you want to upgrade your offer, upgrade your ad, you can actually upgrade your ad with as little as $5 or something like that. Not quite expensive, but don't do that if you don't have the money. Okay, because this platform gives you opportunity to run ads for free. So what you do is that you come here, you say no thank you, I do not want extra exposure for my ad right now, I just want to submit a free ad. So you submit your free ad and then you tick here. Okay, submit your free ad and you are good to go. Okay, oh sorry, I made a mistake. I was supposed to let me go back. I was supposed to leave an image. There is a place for you to leave an image. Let me go back again and show you a place to leave your image. Okay, you can actually upload the image here of the very product that you're promoting. All right, you can actually upload the image here, fill up your the boxes. All right, and then publish, and you're going to have something like this. Okay, you're going to have something like this. Now if I search here this boss business opportunities and then click on search, you're going to see our offer, the ad that we just created. Okay, super affiliate system, you're going to see it here. Super affiliate system. All right, super. Okay, this is super affiliate system. Now the reason why here is blank is because we didn't add an image. Okay, we didn't add an image, so nothing showed here. So folks, that is it. This is a platform for free ad. Go and generate your hop link for the product you want to promote on Clickbank or any of the affiliate network. Come here, promote your offer, run ad practically for free. It's for free, folks. It's for free, and I've been using here to generate traffic, to get leads, and to make sale. All right, so thank you for being there to the end of this video. Go and utilize this particular strategy right now and watch yourself made affiliate commission. This website is free. It's free, but if you want to touch up a little, you can add like $5 to it and you're good to go. So thank you. See you in my next video, and God bless you.